I'm blessed. I'm blessed with being alive. I'm blessed with knowing that I won't get stomach cancer, for sure.
In Vancouver, Dr. David Huntsman studies hereditary diffuse gastric cancer. It's a type of stomach cancer caused by a rare genetic mutation. If you think of your body's DNA as a library of personal characteristics, a mutation is like a dangerous spelling mistake in just one of the books.
This type of gastric cancer is a very sneaky disease. It tends to grow under the surface of the stomach, and so their stomachs can look entirely normal until the cancer is at a late, sadly untreatable stage. Well, if you carry one of these mutations, you have about a 70% chance of developing diffuse gastric cancer, and women have about a 50% risk of developing lobular breast cancer.
With the help of Canadian Cancer Society funding, Dr. Huntsman's lab has developed a way to test for the mutation from a simple blood sample. Dr. Huntsman's research gives people an option. If they've got the defective gene, they can have a gastrectomy, surgical removal of the stomach. It means changes in diet and lifestyle, but it also means you won't get that cancer. Newfoundland has the country's highest rate of stomach cancer. The genetic screening test has already helped a lot of Newfoundlanders. Among them is Geralyn Hansford. This barbecue in St. John's included 3 family members whose genetic screening showed they had the defective gene. Each underwent a gastrectomy to remove their cancer risk.
Now, Tommy's sexy, no?
For Geralyn's mother, the test is proof of the value of life-saving research funded by the Canadian Cancer Society.
I could never measure the worth. It's just amazing. I don't know, where would we be? I wouldn't be here without it. It's just as simple as that.
One measure of the worth is being able to enjoy a simple celebration of life. That's the kind of celebration David Huntsman, a former family doctor from Newfoundland, loves to see.
I get a huge thrill from working with these families and seeing my laboratory work, which is what I've trained to do over the last dozen or so years, be generally applicable, or be applicable in a meaningful way, which can help these families.
I'm a real believer that the money that we can invest in the research, find it, but they can't find it if we give up. If we give up donating, if we give up researching. And, the work that Dr. Huntsman has done, there's a lot of Dr. Huntsmans out there that need our help.